All right, welcome back. If you read the directions for this video, you should have looked at page 193 in your student reference book, that hardcover math book, and took a look at pictographs and read a little bit about those and saw the definition and explored that page. And now we're going to learn about drawing a scaled pictograph. Kellogg School held a weekend car wash. Use the data in the tally chart and the key to complete the picture graph below. You may refer to pages 193 and 194 in your student reference books. These are the pages that I told you to take a look at. All right, we are figuring out the number of cars washed. Day, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, numbers of cars. Friday was how many, Saturday was how many, and Sunday was how many. This is what I like to do, and this is a really good strategy. We know that these are groups of 5 and then 6, 7, 8. So write the number next to it. Oopsie daisies, and that wasn't a good 8. 5, 10, 15, 16. Write the number 16 by it. 5, 10, and I see that's one less than 5, so that'll be 14. Numbers of cars washed. Let's see. Why are there 2 rectangles next to Friday? Well, use the data to fill in the tally chart and complete the picture graph below. Well, we need to fill this in before we can even answer our questions. We have to look at our key. Let's see, each rectangle equals how many cars? 4 cars. So if this is 4 cars and this is 4 cars, how many cars would that be? 8. Does that make sense for Friday? Yep, Friday had 8 tallies. So we put 2 cars or 2 rectangles because that equals 8 cars. 2 times 4 would be 8. Good. For Saturday, if we needed 16 cars. Well, if this is 8, I know that 8 plus 8 equals 16. So 2, let's see, that equals 8. So now we just need to double it. 4 rectangles, because 4 times 4 equals 16. Good. Now, how would we make 14? Well, if I have 16 and I take away 4, I have 12. Is that enough? No, because 12 isn't 14. I need 2 more cars, right? 4, 8, 12. Oh boy, if this whole one's 4, I need half of that. So I would draw a half rectangle, because if a whole rectangle equaled 4, then half equals 2. Why are there 2 rectangles next to Friday? Why do we have 2 there? How did you find out how many car symbols to draw for Sunday or 14? Go ahead and answer these, then meet me on the next page. All right, the next 2 pages are making sense of number stories. Now, we've worked a lot with number stories, and so this will be great practice for us. It says there are 4 crackers in each pack. You buy 3 packs and give 1 pack to your friend. How many crackers do you have left? It says, what do you know from this problem? Well, let's see. I buy 3 packs. I know that. And how many are in a pack? There's 4 crackers in each pack. And then I give a pack to a friend. So I'm going to write that out. All right, so I buy 3 packs of crackers with 4 in each pack. I give 1 pack to a friend and keep the rest. What do I need to find out? How many crackers do you have left? So I'm going to put that on my line. The number of